Hi, this is the Songbird cooking, and today I have pork roast here. If you're hearing the yelling in the background, it's the television set. So I have this pork roast, and what I have here is green peppers. Not really supposed to. I don't know if I'm supposed to flip it. I mean, in a glass plate like this. But I'm like really feeling hungry right now. A little bit greedy. So I'm gonna flip it. Ooh. And because it was laying on a bed of green peppers and red peppers, sweet ones, not hot ones. I had put some seasonings in here, a little cayenne pepper. I love my cayenne. You don't have to use it, but I do like the little bang bang seasoning. Pretty good. I pretty like it pretty good. All that right there, some good seasoning right there. And this, it's going to be so good. I could tell right now it's not even near done. It's only been in here about 25 minutes. And I'm just like really starving right now. So like I said, I came in here to do a little greedy people's kind of cooking, which is to flip it instead of just letting it cook on one side. I'm going to stop back on here. And I'm going to put it back in the oven and let it finish cooking. And so that I can eat some of it as soon as possible. But actually in about, let's say about 30 minutes, I'm going to cut some potatoes. I have some small ones, very small. I'm going to put them around the side, like 4 of them. Just 4 is enough right now. Maybe you cut it, make a sandwich with it, whatever. Or, like I said, I can have my little 4 potatoes and some string beans on the side. And that's going to be really, really delicious. Yes, it is. And you see all that juice in there? Oh, God. Oh, I can't wait. That's all the natural juice. Some of it's going back into the meat. You know, the meat is going to reabsorb it. So I'm going to let it go back in and cook now. Peace, love, and light. This is the Songbird Homemade Cooking.